Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how to upload video in Google Drive using iPhone. Now don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now the first thing that we need to do is you have to make sure that you have Google Drive installed. If this is not installed, then just go ahead and install this in the App Store. And then go right on ahead and go to the Google Drive itself. And then if you are not yet logged in, just go ahead and log in. And then you should be able to see something like this where you have some of your files within your Google Drive. Now you can just go ahead and upload any of your videos via Google Drive. But first thing, I'm just gonna create a new file right here by clicking on Files on the bottom right. And then I'm just gonna be clicking on the plus right here. Now we can go ahead and add a folder, and then let's just do something like tutorial. Here you are. So I'm going to go into this actual folder itself, and let's just go ahead and upload a video. Now what you need to do is to go ahead and click on the plus icon once again, and then you should be able to see upload right here. And then let's go ahead and click on the photos and videos, and then this will open up your albums. So just go right on ahead and click on the video that you want to go ahead and upload. So say for example, I will upload this one right here, and then just go ahead and click on upload on the top right. Now this will go ahead and upload the video itself. Now depending on the size of the video, the upload will take a while. And then once that has been uploaded, you should be able to see something like this. And then once that the processing is done, you can just go ahead and click on the actual video itself and be able to play it. And there you go. You have uploaded your video into Google Drive. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.